Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Amanda from Jcsportline. This is my first live broadcast from Shenzhen office. Nice to meet you guys. As you guys see from my background wall, we have a lot of new arrivals today. You can check the yellow trolley like this, maybe. Yellow try to view the price and details. We are offering a 5% discount today in the live stream. For example, if purchasing $200, you will receive $10 coupon. So don't hesitate, just place your orders. And a few of my clients may be still confusing about the parts they have received. For example, a wet carbon parts, especially a diffuser, and they will ask me, "Hey, Amanda, is this the real carbon?" Definitely, the material, those parts we have made for you guys, the material we had used to make those parts are real carbon. As all carbon fiber parts are natural charcoal black in color. And just to make it clear, today we're going to have a look at the carbon fiber materials themselves. I have keyboard for you guys. After we are checking those fabrics, those is the real materials which we will use to make the carbon fiber parts. Now, if you are new, for those material, make the correct choice for your particular application. Can be a little bit confusing, but honestly, it don't need. In this live streaming, we will take an overview over all of the most common types of waves you are likely to encounter and look at the key difference between them and how that affects your choice for a particular project. When you look at the product name for carbon fiber, maybe like this. When you look at the product name for our description or online descriptions, it will have a number followed by the letter K. Letter K. That number will typically be 136 or 12K. And what that refers to are now how many thousands filaments from in the toe that the particular fabric is made from. This is the 3K, each strand, like this, the waves. The final fabric you may check is with like this, the raw material. If you have ever visited our factory, you will see the real material. I now here just got a few small samples. If you got a single strand of tow here, you can see, but this one strand is actually made up of many thousands of individual filaments. In this case, 3K is made up of 3,000 individual carbon filaments. We count like 3K or 12K is etc. means chunker bunches of carbon or chunker fabrics. And foreign materials I gonna to introduce to you guys is the material which we will use for the autoclave cure. I cannot show you guys the machine here, so I got a picture for you guys. This is our autoclave machine, and this is the CNC machine which is using to cut the prepreg carbon fiber fabric. 这两个就是试试看。Okay, let's go on to introduce those materials. Let's introduce one by one. The first one, 3K. This 3K means generally some clients describe them in online shop will be 2 to 12 prepreg carbon fabric. This fabric is the first layer into the mold. And this one, the 6K and 12K, those high quality prepreg carbon fiber fabric is ideal for backing plies on structural components or where a good level of surface smoothness and droppability is needed. And except the 3K, the forged carbon is become more and more popular. The forged carbon. This is also the prepreg for carbon fiber fabric, but it's with the forged look. It can be used for its amazing cosmetic effect to make the skinned parts truly look like a high-grade professional-made parts. For example, I will show one of the products. This is the Fender wings for Mercedes C-Class, and this one is made from the forged carbon. You can see the waves is quite different than the 12 wave. You can see compare those two parts. These wings, maybe this one the Fender wings, and this is the grill. This is a 3K 12 wave. Quite different look between them. 可以了吧? Okay, let's go to the next one. And for this one is also be used in the autoclave production process. It's the unidirectional dry carbon fiber reinforcement. This one is used to add 100% strength in a particular direction. So after introducing those materials for autoclave production process, then we go into those parts maybe. Those parts, this is the variable carbon fabric. They called maybe the 11022. They're all 3K, but the plan wave, some guys will call it 1 plan wave carbon, and another is 3K 2 to 12 carbon, and this one, the honeycomb one is more and more popular, which some of the clients use for the particular projects. All of those fabrics are suitable for using in wet-lay, vacuum bagging, and resin infusion manufacture, as well as for using as a single surface layer. You can see single surface layer. This one, like this. This is a 12 wave. This is the surface layer. So if you use those parts as a single surface layer, where the parts are being made to look like carbon fiber scaling. Okay, after introduce those surface material, we go back to the question. Some clients thought our parts are not real carbon. because they say the back side of the maybe diffuser or mirror caps or other parts, it comes with a layer of fiberglass. There are three different glass fiber for your reference. The first one it also have the 12 wave, like maybe the surface layers. Those three can be used on its own, more commonly in conjunction with other waves or waves of reinforcement to create the optimal laminate. Why some guys confused and we still use those material? Because if we made all the parts in the pure carbon fiber, means 3 layers are carbon fiber, the cost price will be double or triple of the current price. It's not economical, and it's hard for them to resell them to the market. So we got some material for instead and make the cost price down. That's why like this, not exactly like the surface look. So after I introduce the material parts to you guys, there is a summary. 2-12 is probably the one to go for. This offer a great balance of droppability and handleability. And that's why it is by far and away the most common wave pattern. For the surface pride, of course, you can use any reinforcement for that, got the look that you want. More and more people are choosing the honeycomb, choosing the honeycomb or the forged material for the specific projects. Okay, our next part, I am going to introduce some products to you guys. First, I want to take this. This is a air intake air box. This is for Audi A4B9. It's a bought-on design. It's directly bought-on design. No extra modification needed for installation. Those airbox keys improve efficiency of your energy by adding a great sound on the throttle. With the carbon fiber finish, the intakes add an incredible look to dress up your energy bay. Some of our clients is asking, because some of the OE parts they are painted in matte carbon color. We provide service for both two guys. Those is two air ducts. A part of the air intake. One is matte carbon. One is glossy. You can see. This is the setback for Mercedes. The A-Class, C-Class, CLA class is the setback. It's stick on the OE set with screw type. Okay? This is for one set. It's 2 pieces per set. 然后再拿一个前程 A5 的吧。We have these parts in the yellow trolley. You can view more information from the product. This one is the front lip kit. It's very much higher than me. This is the front lip for BMW, the newest 8 series for the M Sport model. This front lip kit comes with the front splitter. 2 splitter here. 那你帮我拿一下。还有2个包角。 this is a 3-piece per set. The non-lens front spoiler and 2 pieces front splitter. So it's one set like this. Those parts was created and designed according to the OEM possessed data. We have before we create the parts, we will scan the car first and create the CD design files and use our CNC machine for milling the mold. After all process finishes and the mold finishes, the first sample will be tested at our local workshop. So the fitment and qualities are highly guaranteed. So if you guys build some parts from us, don't worry about the after-sales service. This, the front bumper trim, the front and the back side. This is the back side, and this is the front. The front is polished, and the back side is smooth. This part is for W205 C-Class, the sport model C43. It's installed on the 2 sides of, for example, this is the bumper, and the wings, the bumper wings, both side wings add-on style. It's installed by the glue type. And this is the mirror caps. It's with super lightweight. The mirror caps, you can compare the mirror caps and the wings here. The mirror caps is much more smooth with the surface, and this one, the wings. So according to different mode, the back side can be quite different, but the cost will be also increased as well. So if you guys want us to make the interior parts, if you could send us samples of the data, it can be created directly. I'm not sure whether you guys want to check more products. I did not got any comments here. Here I got some questions from my previous the discussion with our clients. They were asking us is there any UV protection in the resin. So most modern exposés have good level of UV resistance, although no exposés are 100% UV stable. And I'm gonna to show you guys big size parts, the dry carbon fiber hoods. Okay, let's move a little bit to this position. I'll show you guys. This is one of the bullets, the hood, engine hood. This big one is for BMW, the 4 series, not the facelift, the pro facelift. I'm not sure it's for M4 or the normal 4 series. It's the GTS style. It will fit for G80 or 82 or F32. Maybe perhaps I'm not sure this, because those two bullets looks very same, just the mounting position is different. And this one, this dry carbon fiber hood is for Supercom by Canon. And this is one of the front lip kits for BMW F90 M5. It's three pieces per set. The center lip, the splitter, 2 splitters, and the center lip. Oh, I got another question from the previous emails. He said, once this duck hood is packed outdoor under a hot sun for hours, won't the resin become soft? No matter the hood, or the lip kits, or the trims, or the fender wings, all of those parts, in our experience of making vehicle appearance parts, which is quite big, we found that this clear coat is sufficiently for car parts to not have any problems, even finished in black, in sunlight. So you don't need to worry about whether it will be the color will be changed or not. The quality is guaranteed. So maybe some guys have some project for the engine hood projects. So they will worry about how strong is this hood, especially in the comparison to the original steel one. Honestly, I can tell you guys it's pretty strong. The strength of a component is difficult to compare like to like, which a steel part, but it's probably easy to say. In terms of stiffness, the feather-shaped carbon fiber parts was comparable in stiffness to the original. But it also comes with a super lightweight. If the original bonnet is around 20 kilogram, and we can help you reduce a half of a weight if you made it in dry carbon fiber material. Hello guys, so I guess that's all for today's live. Thanks to all of our customers for your support, and welcome to my live streaming. This is my first time host live streaming in Shenzhen office. Thanks for your support. I'm Amanda from Jcsportline from China. We're the professional dry carbon car tuning parts manufacturing experts. So that's all. Thank you for your guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.